Hey Terra-core tribe, my name is Allison, and today we're doing a quick 10-minute intermediate HIIT routine. All you need is your Terra-core. We'll be doing 2 blocks of work for 30 seconds on and 20 seconds break in between, and repeating it 2 times. So grab your Terra-core and let's get started. For the first exercise in block 1, we're doing Bulgarian lunges. These are going to be stationary. So starting on top, feet in the center of the dome, take a big step forward, and then make sure that the ball of your foot is in the back of the center of the Terra-core. Shoulders back, abs tight. We're lunging down, making sure the front knee does not pass the toe, and then drive through that heel and come up. So staying stationary, we'll do the first set on the one side, the second set on the other side. The second exercise in the first block is squat pulse up and overs. So what this looks like is that the inside foot is down on top of the Terra-core, base foot's on the floor. We're gonna pulse for 2 times, pop up, go up and over, land with soft feet, soft knees, and then repeat again. So think about keeping that heel on the ground and on the Terra-core and driving through it. For the third exercise, we're taking it down. We're gonna go ahead and do a push-up with alternating shoulder taps. So hands on top of the dome, again, wrists are nice and comfortable position, abs are tight, you're doing 1 push-up, holding on top, tap one shoulder, tap the other shoulder, do it again. Tap and tap. If you need to modify this, stay down on your knees for the same move. Tap, tap. All right, let's kick it off with Bulgarian lunges. Starting on top of your Terra-core, get your balance. Choose a side to begin with. 1 foot forward, reach the other leg back. Shoulders pulled back, abs are tight, nice long spine. Remember, when you lunge, make sure the front knee doesn't pass the toe. Get ready, and let's start. Down, and then press up. You're gonna feel a nice stretch of that hip flexor, and you're also gonna feel the front quad and the glutes. This is a great full lower body workout. Think about driving through that heel on the ground, shoulders are back. So with that toe on the Terra-core, it's gonna have some instability. So again, you're gonna burn more calories doing this exercise as opposed to a flat bench on top. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Easiest way is to step that foot forward and shake it out on the floor. Okay, exercise number 2 is squat pulses, up and overs. Remember, 2 squat pulses, pop over the top, repeat, and take it back. Inside foot on top, toes forward, feet shoulder width apart. When you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, let's start. Pulse twice, up and over. Landing with soft feet, soft knees. This is the one that's gonna get that heart rate up pretty quickly. You can always remove that jump if it's too much with the hop. So staying low, good. Again, working on that unstable surface. You're working a little bit harder, burning more calories. That's a good thing. Whew. Keep it up, 6 seconds. You've got it, you've got it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Whew, shake it off for a second. Get ready to head down to the ground for those push-ups. Hands are gonna be on top of the dome. Take a breath in and out. So 1 push-up, balance, tap opposite shoulders. Do it on your toes or knees. All right, get ready. And let's begin. 1 push-up, watch your balance, tap, tap. Your goal is to keep those hips nice and steady when you lift that one arm up. Core is tight, and breathe. You can always modify this on your knees, but do what's best for you. Lift. Got it. Stay there. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Give yourself a quick stretch. We're heading into set number 2, Bulgarian lunges on the other side. So start behind, take a step up. All right, other foot. Step forward, get your positioning, make sure that toe's in the center of the dome. Ready? Let's go. Down, press to that heel. Inhale, exhale up. So both knees are bending down, squeeze the glutes on top, drive through that front heel on the floor. Watch your balance, so core is tight. Whew. Keep those shoulders pulled back. You're doing awesome, stay with it. Last few seconds. Nice work. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Back foot comes up, shake it out. Squat pulses up and over. Only 2 more exercises in this first block, but you get a drink break. Deep breath in and out. Okay, when you're ready, inside foot on top of the dome, other one on the floor, toes forward, abs in, and let's go. Pulse for 2. Land with soft feet, soft knees, up and over. Knees are staying bent the whole time, driving up. You can easily up the intensity by pushing off a little bit higher, or keep it low with no hop. Whew. Come on, 12 seconds, over halfway. Breathe. Stay with it. Land with soft feet. Finish this strong. In 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very nice. Walk it out. Push-ups are next. So catch your breath from that. I know the heart rate probably shot way up there. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Nice and easy, bring it down. Hands on the dome. Choose if you're on your toes or your knees. Go into that high plank. And let's start. 1 push-up. Tap the shoulder. Tap the shoulder. Push up. Tap, keep the abs tight. Spine is nice and long. Hands are gripped in a neutral position on top of the Terra-core. Woo. And again, watch those hips. Make sure they're not shifting. Breathe. Stay with this. You're almost done with block number 1. Woo. This is it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Drop those knees, sink back and stretch. Go ahead and grab a quick drink. You have a 1-minute break. Great job so far. You've made it halfway through this workout. Kicking off block number 2 is a big power jump forward, quick toes coming back. So standing behind the Terra-core with your feet straddling the bench, knees are soft. You're gonna jump forward, nice and light, quick toes come back. Plant those feet down, do it again. Again, knees are soft, and then come back. If you need to modify this, you can stagger and remove that jump. Okay, the second exercise is a roll-up burpee. So you're gonna go ahead and take a seat on the top of that Terra-core. So when you're ready, this is gonna work abs and cardio. We're rolling back, come up, all the way to the stand, jump. Careful coming down, down, and up. Same move can be done without the jump. Just come up to stand. And for that third exercise, we're gonna go ahead and flip it dome side down. We're doing plank rocks. For this one, we're gonna use those nice handles on the bottom of the Terra-core. Place our hands there. Go into a high plank position, abs in. All we're gonna do is rock forward, rock back. And what's awesome about the Terra-core is you have total control over this. It's not gonna roll out under you. And you can also do this on your knees to modify. Let's get in position for those power jumps forward and quick toe taps back. So behind the Terra-core, you're gonna stand straddling the bench. Start with those knees soft. Remember, big jump forward, nice and light. We move back to start position. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Power jump forward, nice and light, toes back. Plant those feet, straddle, do it again. So we're kicking it off with high intensity, getting that heart rate high. If you don't like the hop, go ahead and do a staggered, and then load taps back. Remember, you always have options. Up, nice and light. Plant those feet. Good. Land with soft feet, soft knees. Give me 1 more in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Roll-up burpees are next. Take a seat on the front end of the Terra-core. We'll start in that seated position, roll back, and then come up. So deep breath in and out. When you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and easy, roll back, come up, jump, stand. Roll back, do a big sit up. So abs in. What's great about this Terra-core is there's no pressure on that back. The dome shapes around your body. Woo! Breathe, up. Not liking the jump, keep it out. You're doing awesome, stay with it. Breathe. Finish it in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good, walk it out. Heading down onto the ground. for those plank rocks. So really hitting core in this workout today. Go ahead and flip it over, dome side down. Take a breath, hands on the handles, high plank. And when you're ready, let's rock, keeping the core tight. Forward and back. Forward and back. So we're slowing it way down. We're not going faster because we really want to feel it. Too challenging on the toes, or you start to lose form, drop down your knees and do the same motion. Breathe. Working shoulders, working core. The Terra-core is the only fitness equipment that can do a move like this safely. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good, take a breath, flip it back over, round number 2. Final set for this workout. Straddle jumps, quick toes back. Take a breath in and out. Whew. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Big jump, quick toes back. Plant those feet, jump. Land with soft feet, soft knees. Good. You're doing great. Finishing this set and this workout strong. Whew. I know intensity's high. You're stronger than you think. Keep it up. Breathe. 5 seconds. Can you get one more in? Go for it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Whew. Let's walk it out. Roll up burpees are next. So for this one, if you'd like to, go ahead and start in that seated position. Take a breath in and out. You're doing fantastic. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and easy, roll back, come up, jump, stand, soft feet, soft knees, land. Repeat again. Not feeling the jump, you'll just stand. Squeezing those glutes on top. Yes. Come on, you got it. I know your heart rate's way up there right now. Strong to the end. Breathe. Only one more exercise after this. In 4, 3, 2, finish the one you're on, and stop. Woo. All right, when you're ready, take it down. While you're recovering, flip that Terra-core over. Plank rocks are next. Deep breath in, exhale out. Let's get into position. Choose if you're on your toes or knees. Come up, core tight. Let's rock. Forward and back. Good. Abs are tight, our hips are not shifting. Core stabilization, balance. You've got it. Building that strength. Come on, 10 seconds, this is it. Finish it. 3, 2, 1, drop the knees and sink back and stretch. Great job today. You made it, you're all done. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.